Welcome back to day 2 of my 200k trading challenge. Yesterday we have started this journey with $2,000, and thanks to my premium trading Algo.Bot, we are already grown our account. Today we are stepping things up with higher trade amounts, more action and bigger profits. Let's dive right in. If you missed day 1, here's a quick recap. My AI bot is designed to analyze real-time market data, detect profitable opportunities, and send accurate buy or sell signals. It's fast, efficient, and removes all the emotional guesswork from trading. Yesterday, it delivered a 100% win rate on 3 trades, and today, we are aiming for even more. Alright, let's jump into today's trades. As we promised, it increasing the trade amount to 2,500 per thousand per dollar. This is where the compounding strategy kicks in. Each day we build on our profits to accelerate the growth of our account. Here's our first trade of day 2. The bot has analyzed the market and given a strong buy signal. Let's execute it and see the results. And we gave another successful trade. The accuracy of this bot is just unbelievable. Let's move on to the next number 2. Now this time the bot is signaling a sell on the different asset. Watch how it pinpoints the perfect entry and the trade is placed. This is one of the key advantages of using AI. It works with precision and speed that no human trader can match. Boom, another win. This is the kind of consistency and that's build confidence. We are already seeing our balance grow, but let's finish strong with the third trade for the day. For this one, the bot is predicting a quick market reversal, so it's signaling a high confidence buy. Let's lock it in and see how it performs. It is 3 trades, 3 wins. Our account is growing faster than ever, and we only day 2. This is the power of compounding and precise event-driven trading. Now let's talk about what makes this bot so effective. It uses advanced machine learning algorithm to analyze multiple data points in real time, things like market trends, volatility, and technical indicators. The results accurate signals that give you an edge over the market. And the best part, you don't need any prior trading experience. The bot does all the heavy lifting for you. You have to do is follow the signals and watch your account grow. If you are still on the fence and about to try into the bot, let me ask you this: how long have you been trading without consistency results? With this bot, you can finally break down free from the cycle of losses and start seeing results and predictable profits. Alright, so where do we stand after day 2? Our balance has already jumped significantly, and this is just the beginning. Tomorrow we will be raising these stakes even higher, increasing the trade amounts and pushing closer to that 200k goal. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, now's the time. Click the link in the description to get access to the premium trading AI bot and start transforming your financial future today. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss day 3. Things are about to get even more exciting, and I can't wait to see you there. Let's make it happen.